Today, we're making some toddler food. For me, toddler food has to be simple. You should be able to cook a single serving with very few ingredients. Today, we're making one of my daughter's all-time favorites. We're making a Spanish omelette with whatever vegetables you have in your fridge. Very simple, and the whole thing cooks within 5 minutes. So right away, stove on. For me, a good recipe, you really want to minimize the washing. So today, all we're using is a peeler. We're not even gonna use a knife. While that's heating up, we'll peel the carrots. Once this is a bit hot, olive oil in the pan and straight in, because carrot takes the longest. The beauty of the peeler for toddler food is that it makes them so thin so they cook much quicker. It's a decent amount of carrots. Same with courgette. I like courgette with the skin on. And this way, whenever you finish, you can just wrap the veg in cling film, leave them in the fridge, and they're good to peel the next time. Decent amount. Mix a bit. When you sweat them down, evaporate a bit of the water content to concentrate the flavors, especially the sweetness of the carrots. The color of the carrots will make this omelette look very beautiful. Perfect. Now, potato, I like it with the skin on, but that's a personal choice. Some starch, give it a bit of body. The way I'm peeling, as you see, once you wrap the cling film, this is the only place that might oxidize. So next time you use it, just peel off the surface and it's good to go again. The potato, you want to break them apart a bit so that they don't lump together. At this stage, they have evaporated most of the water content and they're cooked. And this on its own would be a great dish. Now, to make the Spanish omelette, we crack 2 eggs. 1 would make it really thin. 2, you get a bit of body, so it's up to you. Bit of a whisk. And straight in. This will cool down the pan a bit. So giving you a bit of time to mix everything together, help them cook even quicker. Kind of want to flatten it into one even-ish layer. Perfect. So once it's set on the other side, to make it cook much faster, and we're not looking for runny yolk here. So what I like to do, I put the lid on so that the steam from the vegetable and the egg would steam the top, and that way it just cooks so much faster. About a minute. During which, 0 waste. And this goes into the fridge, you're ready for your next meal. If your lid is not transparent, you can simply touch the top. This way you could gauge how much steam has generated. Perfect. Now, this whole thing is cooked and it's ready to go. But if you want to go the extra mile, you make sure the bottom is not sticking together. And we turn it once. I mean, you can use a plate to help you, or if you fancy a bit of fun, you can try to flip this. Almost perfect. And we give it the other side another 20 seconds for a bit of color. Once it's sliding like this, you know the other side is perfect. So we're good to go. Stove off. This is beautiful. Is it an omelette? Is it a pizza? I don't know. But my daughter loves it. And the way I like to serve it is you always have 1 slice. It's very bad for the knife, but slightly out. There you have it. A toddler Spanish omelette that cooks in 5 minutes. I hope you enjoy. Beautiful, huh?